We are reporting to you from Eagle Beach, and of course this week is the DV Aruba International Beach Tennis Tournament. We have one of the main guys here, Shore de Vries, to tell us how the tournament is going so far.
It's going fantastic. You're looking at a very happy organizer. We're into the second day. Monday night we had the opening night, and yesterday we had the first day of play. So we started with the singles event, which is not the main act in beach tennis. The doubles is basically the main thing, and so it's a good warming up. A lot of people play singles to practice their doubles match. Anyway, today it's going to accumulate into the finals, and that's going to be around 8 o'clock, and everybody wants to see that. That's going to be very spectacular, and we probably have two Italians in the final, but we don't know yet. So we'll see about that. And then tomorrow we're going to advance and with the big day, which is called the Nations Cup. That's like the Davis Cup in tennis, and that's the big thing here in Aruba.
Now, Shred, I want you to tell me, what's the reputation around the world when it comes to Aruba's tournament? Yes, last year I believe you won the Oscars of all the awards when it comes to tournaments. Tell me about that.
I'm very humble, so it's very difficult. Now somebody else has to talk about that. But what they say, what I hear is very positive. Yeah, we won that award 2 times in a row, and we're putting a lot of efforts in to win it again. So this year, I think we did a great job. We built the stadium a little bit bigger. We have a LED screen in the court this year, and we have more participants. So the word of mouth is doing very well. Over 1,000 participants this year, and yeah, you'll see this weekend it will be a complete beach tennis party, and we will go through the roof. So I hope next year we'll win it again.
What do you think you're doing right in terms of course, Aruba's weather and the beach helps, but what else do you think are some of the keys to success when it comes to organizing such a tournament of this magnitude?
Yeah, we definitely have the right tone. We have a concept where we call sportainment, so it's sport and entertainment, and that's what people like. So we took the seriousness out of the tennis world, we took the rules out, and we kind of, mingled everything, blended it together. During the matches, like basketball, there is music. So if you don't like to play with music, if you can't stand the heat, stay out of the kitchen. You don't come to Aruba, and the players know that. So they're all here in a different vibe, and it's beautiful for the audience. And I think that's the best thing. Okay, it is a participation event, so that means when you have 1,000 participants, you already have a crowd. So it's already fun. People want to participate. People just don't want to come anymore to sit and watch. They want to participate and then watch the pros play. So it's definitely that combination what makes it so good.
Perfect, Shore. Now, of course, I think Shore would agree with me that he wants everyone to come down here and check it out from today all the way until Sunday, and you don't want to miss it. Eagle Beach has been transformed into this magnificent, fantastic, competitive spirit tournament, and there is a huge Amstelbright arena, and of course the event is sponsored by DV, so come and definitely check it out. And signing off right here on Eagle Beach, I'm Yentelu. After the break, we discuss the timeshare concept.